The sprocket is part of your planer's depth of cut adjustment assembly. There is a sprocket attached to both cutter head jack screws. The sprockets are linked by a chain. When the adjustment crank is turned, the first jack screw transfers the movement to the second through the sprockets and chain. Over time, the sprockets can wear, causing the chain to slip. Replacing the sprocket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by tipping the planer onto its front so I can access the underside. Now I have access to both of the sprockets on the underside of the planer. I'll locate the damaged one and remove it. The sprocket is secured with a screw and washer. I'll remove the screw. I'll hold the crank handle on the top of the planer so the jack shaft doesn't rotate. Now I can remove the sprocket. I'll hold the crank handle so the jack shaft doesn't turn. If I allow one jack shaft to rotate without the other one turning the same, I'll throw the carriage out of alignment. And I'll remove the sprocket from the chain. Now I can install the new sprocket. I'll line up the key with the keyway on the shaft, and then place the chain over the sprocket so it's indexed correctly. Now I can install the sprocket back onto the shaft. And with it in place, I'll secure it with the screw and washer. That's how easy it is to install a new sprocket on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.